It's so beautiful outside. It's so great to enjoy the sun and drink some water. It's very hard to wake up, but once you wake up, you wake up. So let's enjoy the beautiful weather, beautiful day, and do some Kung Fu training. Actually, for a long time, doing this video, so all I need is water, most important. You need a lot of water to boost your energy, and this is something always important for me. Oh yeah, I forgot this. My earpod. Listen some music. But mostly while doing video, I have the earpod. I believe that we bring better quality for audio for the video. I really hope so. Right, let's start slow with some warm up. The warm up is very important. So without warm up, your body is stiff and your movement, the range is smaller, and also can cause some injuries sometimes. So just start slow. Open your leg, put your hand on the floor, and you move forward slowly. Put your head down, much as possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and great. So you can move your hand, go further and further. So that gives you go and stretching. Very good. Okay, once your body lean lower, so you feel in the pool this ligament here. This is the goal we want. So we try the lowest possible and keep stretching. Yeah, let's move your finger. Very nice. Great work. And now you use the hand, touch your toe left and right on both sides. Same. You gotta just stretching the side way and go down, and you will feel stretching this side. That's how we want. Also, this ligament will help you warm up. This is a great way to start slow with a day Kung Fu training. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. So we can do the other side. The same thing. Your left hand, touch your toes. Oh, this water bottle is blocking right here. So your right hand hold here, and you try stretching down. Go low as possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold there 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. After the stretching, you feel very comfortable. You feel stretched out. You feel like relaxed. That's very good. Feels great. Okay, so let's do another one. So fit together. Use hand, touch your toe. Whew, so good. I feel I want to sleep again. But I will wake up and training Kung Fu Wushu with you. Bring your height low as possible and try to touch your toe. Great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Try to stretch as much as possible, and you try to hold that for another 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right. Whew, so good. Let's drink some water. Yeah, I have another phone. Sometimes I can to record different angle with this video. And also sometimes just for me to listen some music. It's great. Okay, so next thing, so you put the both arm behind you. Let's say more this way. The same thing, you move your fingers slowly, go back, and you lean your head, go back, just stretching your shoulders, okay? And you move left and right, very comfortable and relax. And you can move your hand more, slightly go back. So you feel stretching your shoulder. That's how we want. That's good. And go more. Woo. Feels great. And after that, you can just sit right here. You can swing your arm, just slowly. Always, when you're stretching after, it's good to swing and move your joint of your body part, just like arm. The same thing. We're stretching the leg after we show the kick. We show you after this, right? So now we're gonna to do another stretching. The hand, very important too. So your right hand to hold the fingers and you're just stretching. You hold right here. Right, you pull back like this. So very important. You gotta to keep stretching and gently, not be too hard for the first time. And you go a little more and more. Okay, feels great. Holding there and put pressure on your right hand. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. So why we gonna stretching these fingers? Because we use a lot of palm. This is the palm in Kung Fu Wushu training. So once you're stretching and your fingers is relaxed, you can move very freely to put together. So you can push palm and also you can lean this part or using for push palm. So good. And this hand too. So you're stretching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. It's great. And then you have beautiful palm, and also you can do powerful boom, push, palm, power, and power. And yeah, generally you start it once you stretching after, you feel so good, you have good warm up, and then you give the best performance of your training. That's so good. All right, so the next we got to stretching a little bit fist. So put your fist balls on the floor. So lean your weight on the surface of your balls fist, your hand like this. So this is a great way to make your balls fist flat. It's very important to make your hand, the fist flat, because see this flat and you have this good power through a punch. So also very important, this not injure your fingers if your hand is loose, like different way. So you have to get this solid, strong, and this is flat. So this you can practice with a little bit punch. So one hand come back in your waist, another one, and punch straight, come back, punch straight, and do same time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Great. Very nice. And also you can to do the flat punch. So this is called a vertical punch, like this way. And also you can shoot this way. And this requirement is say this is flat and this is flat. So very important. Someone to do like this is very easy broken your wrist, so you have to go like flat. That's why the requirement asking you to do flat. Say do. So and then the hand so rotate, halfway, and this boom. So because all power out is just right this part actually. Boom and boom. Boom. So power out for the rotation. So the rotation zoom to bring the most power. Last point of the punch. Zoom and zoom. Yeah, it's great. Also, the other thing very important is relax your shoulder. So once your shoulder tight, mostly for beginners we do because we want to give the most power as possible to show you have power punch, but actually it's not. The more you're training, the higher level you go, and you understand the relaxation is one of the things very important in Kung Fu and Wushu training. Because the energy, the biggest energy you can gain before always relax. Just simple like, yeah, the punch, and the punch. Because you the whole time is relaxed. Of course, the last point, tight, all power, right there. I have the big speed and power. Actually, all other parts is relaxed. Just like when you see the good boxers, who is the famous guy in history, is the legend for boxer, Ali. I don't know English, but I show you a little image if I can search for you. So he, and people talk about when he do boxing, he fight, he like a dancer. He's so relaxed. He move really freely, and once he punch, just super fast, and he got a winning all over. He's the top. He's the best boxer, of course. So I just want to bring this good example for you. You do every move in Kung Fu Wushu is the same. The martial arts, you need learning how to relax, and then you will learning how to get the explosive and the good speed and power. Very cool. All right, so continue our stretching and connect with our basics.